I am going to tell you about this Chamberlain, or however it's pronounced, garage door openers, and the remote control that is not working, and it was working, but it just stopped working, and it just didn't make sense for me. And I did quite a bit of investigation online, and they were mentioning LED lights interfering with the garage doors or remote control openers. And then I did a little bit switching, replacing different light bulbs. I did actually get a positive result from those suggestions. So this is the remote control I have. It's for Chamberlain. It's a universal, and I have purple button on my Chamberlain. Chamberlain, I think I pronounced right. This remote, the garage door opener, and it's. I have two LEDs on two LED lights inside the Chamberlain. I didn't replace them yet, and I'm going to actually like put these over there. These are LEDs too, but these are a little bit kind of warm color, means it's lower frequency. I believe it's not higher frequency, because the more that warmer color you get, less dense frequency, I believe. And but the most important thing was in my the trash light. This trash light was also 100 watt worth, really like bright, and like almost like you cannot touch the light. That was that hot. And when I first turn this off and try the remote control switch, is also a smart switch. When I turned it off and tried the remote, it worked fine, and that's how that works. So now I replaced that really like bright LED trash light LED with the red, the warmer color one, low frequency one. And now I can, my remote control actually works even a little farther than driveway. Now what I'm going to do is, these are also matching LEDs. I'm going to replace these two, and then let's see what result I'm going to get. Oh, okay, I replaced the lights. These are pretty actually warm. Actually, the other one next to the trash bins, outside light, that light bulb was really expensive. It was really bright, and it was 100 watt worth, like that much lumens. That's how, I cannot even say it, but the LEDs now has a different things than the other light bulbs, conventional ones. But it is 100 watt worth LED, and it was really hot. These are a little smaller, but still I can barely touch them. And these are also daylights. But the ones that I put, it's a warmer color, just like this one. As you see, it's a warmer color, and if I kind of touch my hand, I can touch actually. It's not even doing anything. So that is actually telling me that less of the energy it uses, I believe the light bulb is creating less radio waves. I think it's called RFI. Yeah, even the conventional light bulbs giving that frequency, but LEDs are, since they are converting the 110 volt to lower voltage, they are making this noises more than the conventional old fashioned light bulbs. That's why LEDs are interfering more than the others. Okay, now let's see what happens. Now I have the remote control. Now I'm gonna walk. Previously, I'm not lying, the remote control, when the trash light was the other one, that really strong one, I was able to only like do it right here, like that close. But now I'm gonna walk outside. Let's go a little far. This is my driveway, and here I'm on the roadway. I know that my wife was sometimes opening like a couple houses ahead. Now I cross the street, and then I'm gonna try right here. Look at that. Look at that. It is definitely it. And I have actually two more LEDs, as you see in the front, and also one in the left, which is entrance door. Those are LEDs, but I might even replace them with the warmer color, low frequency LEDs. That's gonna be definitely helping out, but maybe I wouldn't if I don't need it, because now I'm going farther. I click and voila, it works. Okay, here is the bottom line. Here is the conclusion. It is, if your garage door opener stopped working all of a sudden, and you replace the battery of your remote control, and also you did reset the the purple button things with your remote control, and if your remote control, this one, works really close, like inside the garage, like when you are, for instance, like here just underneath, and if it's working, I can guarantee you the problem is the LED lights. You have most probably the really bright daylight, but it's really expensive 100-watt LED that causing this problem. In my case, it was the trash light LED, but these also helped a lot. It definitely, these two were also interfering. Now I have perfectly working garage door opener. Thank you.